Who controls the food supply controls the people. Who controls the energy can control whole continents. Who controls money can control the world.
A very well said quote by Henry Kissinger. Greetings everyone, I Ishu Singh,
I Aryan Singh
of class 12 DPS BSR
are presenting our views on the topic
when Fed sneezes,
the whole world catches the cold.
Let's begin.
The United Federal Reserve Bank, commonly known as the Fed, is the apex bank of United States. Its primary objective is to ensure a stable and healthy global economy through skillful management of monetary policy.
The Fed holds ultimate authority over the widely accepted dollar, which holds paramount importance in facilitating international trade.
Amid the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, the Fed adeptly controlled the US dollar, extending vital assistance to other nations by providing favorable repo rates.
However, the US dollar's value declined, signaling potential global economic implications. The Russo-Ukrainian war further worsened the situation.
Recently, the Fed took decisive action to prevent economies from slipping into the recession by strategically reducing the flow of dollar. This move impacted the global economic landscape.
As a consequence, India's Nifty index and Sensex experienced a downturn, resulting in a significant loss of $7.7 billion.